Friends, I wanted to hop on here and show you these vacuum bags that were sent to me by the brand to try out. I'm going on a trip soon and I want to be able to do a carry-on and just a backpack. I don't want to have to check a bag, so I'm excited to have these vacuum bags. There's 15 in the pack, so there's 3 of each size in this one and 3 of each size in this one. We're going to start with the 20 by 16. And I don't know if you can see that on there. There are instructions. So what you're going to do is open the bag, and then they give you these little sealers. And so you're going to put your clothes in there, and you're going to seal it by hand, and then you're going to use this to press it closed. And then they give you this. Let's take a look at the little vacuum. The dog is really excited about this. Can you tell? He's so funny. Okay. So this is our little vacuum. Air coming out there. Air sucking in there. Just blowing stuff away. So that's pretty powerful, and it does come with a USB cable and a manual. Let me get some clothes. Okay, so we're just going to put these in the bag. Line them up. Very similar. I mean, I'm used to using packing cubes, so that makes sense, right? But packing cubes just organize you. Packing cubes don't give you more space or freedom from check-in bags. So what we're trying to do with these is give you freedom from check-in bags and from high fees. So I've got all those shorts in there. Just make sure they're all tucked in. And then I'm going to close this with my fingers first. And then I'm going to take one of these and I'm just going to run it down the seal that way and then go back the other way. So it is good and sealed now. And then this little air has a kind of a seal here. So you want to go ahead and push out as much of the air by hand as you can. Also because then you can shape it. And because it has this valve, it's not going to fill back up with air. So now we're going to push this on here and we're going to suck the rest of the air out. Check it out. Look how much smaller that is now. And then this seal keeps it from opening back up and getting more air in there, and you just put the cap back on it. Now, this will pack in your carry-on, and I can probably fit 4 of these in my carry-on, which is a lot of pairs of shorts or jeans or sweaters or jacket, whatever you want to do. Really helps with packing. If you need to, you can fold it over. It's just really cool. So look how thin that got. And that's going to make it a whole lot easier. And then because this is so small, you just take it with you. So you just take this and one of the clips with you, and then that way when it's time to come home, you pack back up, you suck it back down, and you come on home. So I really like these. They could be used for lots of things. They could be used for travel. They could be used for storing winter clothes in the summertime, or summertime clothes in the wintertime, or whatever you need to store in a small space. I'm thinking of my friends who now live in tiny houses or RVs full-time. These would be great space savers. So I really like these bags, and I really appreciate the brand for sending them to me to try out. I think they're going to come in very handy while I'm traveling. Thanks for watching.